Have you ever imagined a woodpecker becoming a weather analyst? Meet Willy the woodpecker, who takes on meteorology with his usual peck of determination. As he hilariously interprets weather charts, mistaking isobars for worm trails, Willy sets off unexpected chain reactions at the station. His vibrant forecasts create a flurry of feathered followers and a whirlwind of laughter as curious birds gather. Suddenly, Willy's unexpected bird calls send everyone into a panicked frenzy, but not without joy in the chaos. Through wild antics and comical misunderstandings, he turns a normally serious setting into a delightful spectacle, reminding everyone that even the forecast can be a forecast of fun.